Frances. Now, I know that most of you are doing online teaching these days, just like me, and a lot of you teach one-to-one adults. Now, online is great. In my opinion, it's better than face-to-face. But how do you make a one-to-one online class great? Doing a Kahoot in a group is super fun. Doing a Kahoot one-to-one, not so great. So I'm going to talk to you on Saturday, just after lunch, and give you some tips and tricks of how you can build rapport, keep things creative and interesting, and really make your online classes not just a case of using the PDFs from your in-person classes. So please come and join me. I hope it will be practical and useful with things that you can take away and use on the next Monday. I'll see you there.